Alright, so hey guys, I'm here with my cousin Amino.
Hey guys.
We're gonna go out. We're gonna go to Starbucks. Damn, it's cold. It's really cold. We're gonna go to Starbucks because I need to edit and he needs to work on his thesis. And yeah. So are you excited for today?
Very, very.
Yeah.
Well, I'm just gonna sit down and work. You
Yeah,
carry on.
I'm gonna edit. Yeah. So see you guys there.
See ya.
That's crazy. So guys, one of the hardest thing in China is to get parking space, and thank God the person in front of me, like, he's leaving his car right now. So we're gonna park because I'm parking in between two Porsches. Like, I don't want to scratch any of them. Yeah, so we'll drop and we'll continue from there. So guys, we're in Starbucks. I don't know if I'm shooting from this angle, but it's crazy. We're in Starbucks right now, me and Amino. We're gonna get coffee, and it's actually full, but we're gonna find somewhere to sit because I need to edit and he needs to study. So yeah. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna show you guys how like they buy coffee in here, because it's actually different from the normal way we buy. They don't even use cash in here. Like, they don't even use credit card. They just use their phones, which is crazy.
Cappuccino. 喝三
大杯。
大杯的。
caramel coffee.
Caramel
caramel coffee.
cappuccino. Cappuccino.
Frappuccino.
Grande.
Yeah.
Bisa que isso?
Yeah.
That's how they pay in here. It's so crazy, I'm serious. Like, okay, I know there's like a lot of technology in here, but no card, no cash. Like, just use your phone and that's all. And your phone is actually connected to your bank, so they automatically like just take it through your bank, which is crazy, you know, but we out here. Also, something very normal, like, I don't know, in here they don't ask names for Starbucks, but yeah, they didn't ask for my name, they just said my coffee's name and that's all. So guys, I don't normally do this, but today we're in Tesla, as you can see. I love cars, so I just want to show you guys Tesla here because it's one of the best cars out there, I can say. And luckily enough, they allow me like to vlog in here, so I'm just gonna show you guys.
Shutterstock Music.
Which model is this one?
Model 3.
Model 3.
Yeah.
What?
Model X.
Model X. Ah, this one that dances.
Yeah.
We in Tesla. No. Tesla. No, to be honest with you guys, like, I've seen these cars from far and I haven't seen them like close up. They're really good. For an electric car, they're fast, efficient, not like too much stuff inside the car. It's very comfortable, and I mean, I might get one maybe in the future, you never know. Model 3?
Model 3.
Same. So, what, 你的名字叫什么?
Reze.
Reze. So guys, his name is Reze, and this one is actually made in China. It's a Tesla made in China, but this one's Jiga America.
Yeah.
But this two they made in America. So yeah, it's just a review about cars because I love cars and they're like one of the best things in my life. So yeah, 谢谢.
Okay.
再见.
再见.
Thank you. So guys, we literally just entered Tesla and asked them, hey, can we shoot a video? They were so kind enough to say yes.
I love those cars, man.
They look so good. I mean, I wish you guys can see it personally. The paint inside is so simple. There's nothing distracting.
So stylish.
Yeah,
Like,
and
you see the dashboard.
yeah, it's so smooth and like it's electric. So Tesla, you win. Tesla, you win.
I want Tesla. Nah, Tesla.